Have you ever wanted to grow your own beautiful poinsettias, those festive red plants that brighten the holidays? With just a few simple steps, you can turn a single cutting into a lush, colorful poinsettia of your own. Today, I'll walk you through the complete process of propagating poinsettias from cuttings, step by step. Step 1. Choosing the right cuttings. Start with healthy stems that are about 4 to 6 inches long, taken from the top of the plant. Make sure the stems are green, firm, and free of any pests or disease. The best time to take cuttings is late spring or early summer, when the plant is actively growing. Choosing strong, healthy stems gives your new poinsettias the best chance to thrive. Step 2. Preparing your cuttings. Using sharp, clean scissors, snip just below a node. That's where the roots will form. Remove the leaves from the bottom half of the stem to reduce moisture loss. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone powder to help roots grow faster and stronger. If you can't plant them right away, place the cuttings in a glass of water to keep them hydrated. Step 3. Selecting the best soil mix. Poinsettias love light, well-draining soil. Mix equal parts of potting soil, perlite, and peat moss. This creates a fluffy texture that keeps roots airy and healthy. Make sure your pots have drainage holes to prevent water from pooling. Step 4. Planting the cuttings. Fill your pots with the prepared soil. Make a small hole in the center and insert the cutting up to the first set of leaves. Gently press the soil around the stem to secure it in place. Mist lightly to moisten the soil, but don't overwater. Soon, you'll see new growth, a sign that your cutting is rooting successfully. Step 5. Providing the right conditions. Poinsettia cuttings thrive in bright, indirect sunlight and moderate humidity. Keep the temperature between 60 to 70 degree Celsius, or about 15 to 21 degree Celsius. You can cover your pots with a clear plastic bag to retain humidity. Just make sure it doesn't touch the leaves. Rotate your pots every few days so the light reaches all sides evenly. Step 6. Watering wisely. Keep the soil slightly moist, but never soggy. When the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. Use room temperature water and pour it at the base, not on the leaves. Always make sure your pots have good drainage. Step 7. Transplanting your new plants. After about 4 to 6 weeks, your cuttings will have developed roots. Gently move each one into a slightly larger pot, about 2 inches wider. Handle them carefully, support the base, and use fresh potting mix. Water right after transplanting to help the roots settle. For healthy growth, use a balanced fertilizer, 20-20-20, diluted to half strength. Step 8. Fertilizing for health. Feed your poinsettias every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Always water first before applying fertilizer to prevent shock. Then, move on to Step 9. Pruning. Regular trimming encourages bushy, full plants. Cut just above a node using clean scissors and prune about once a month. Step 10. Troubleshooting common issues. If you notice leaf drop, you may be overwatering. Let the soil dry slightly between waterings. If the leaves look dry or curled, increase humidity by misting or using a humidity tray. Watch out for aphids or spider mites. They can be treated with insecticidal soap or neem oil. And there you have it, a full guide to propagating poinsettias from cuttings. With a little care and patience, you can grow your own vibrant poinsettias that last far beyond the holiday season. So grab your scissors, prepare your soil, and start your propagation journey today. Be sure to check out this video for more.